Hey guys, welcome to Makeup and Hustle. My name is Vidhi. Thank you so much for tuning in. We're going to jump straight in, and I am starting out with my eyes today. Just using the MAC Prolongwear Paint Pot in Painterly to just prime my eyes. I've also got the NYX brow mascara on my eyebrows in Brunette. And today we're using the Jackie Aina palette, and mind you, peeling off that protector is so satisfying. So right after priming, I'm going straight in with the eyeshadow, and the shadow that we're using today is Supreme. It's a nice bright pink, and I wanted to kind of keep really like this soft but yet pop of a color kind of a look, more so for Valentine's Day. And I thought that pink was such a beautiful, vibrant color to use for this makeup. So just using a big fluffy brush to apply that, and I'm just applying that, really taking my time to build the intensity, and holding the brush from far back just to kind of get that maximum blending capability of that shadow. I'm also just taking a clean brush and just blending out everything, just to make sure that it's all seamless. And then for a pop of that color, I'm using Dwollahs. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but you get my point. Just using my fingers to apply that on the center of my eyelid. We're doing more of like a halo eye sort of a look today. I'm just using these two simple shades. I just feel like it was a very nice, soft, subtle, yet pop of a color sort of a look. I really loved how it turned out. I'm just going back in and just intensifying the Supreme shadow just a little bit, and then also just cleaning up the Dwollahs. Oh, I can't even say it. That shade as well. I'm just going to go straight in with the eyeliner. I'm just using the Fenty Flyliner. This is the mini size. I think it came in a kit with the eye primer. So just using that, and I'm also just creating a nice wing for this look. I just feel like that contrast with that nice intense black shadow, black eyeliner looks so amazing. But just making sure I take my time and just getting my wings even. And then, oh, I think I missed that shot, but I'm just using the Maybelline, I will insert a photo, but I'm using the Maybelline primer, the moisturizing one. And then going in with the L'Oreal foundation. I'll leave the shade name down below, so please be sure to check that out. I'm also just carving out my eyebrows with the foundation itself, just so that I can, even though I only have the mascara on, the brow mascara, I am just going to go back in and fill them in as well. But I just like to get that outline for my eyebrows in place. So just wanted to carve them out just to make it kind of look even, and also make sure that I was able to blend as close to my brows as possible. For my concealer, I'm just using the E.L.F camo concealer. Again, the shade will be mentioned down below. I'm just using just around my under eyes, on the bridge of my nose, cupid's bow and chin, and just using a sponge to blend everything out. I look so ghostly. And then taking the Flower Beauty contour palette, bronzing and contouring palette, and just using the bronzer out of that palette. I hold this in my last video, and I really love this bronzer. It's very soft, very subtle, and it just blends really easily. I thoroughly enjoyed using it. However, it does, it has so much of fallout. It is insane. Like, I had so much of it on my shirt, it was ridiculous, and it was like a white, like sort of a lighter shade of the shirt. But anyway, for my blush, I am using the Maybelline Coral blush. It's so soft, so subtle, gives such a beautiful sheen. I loved this blush. I was totally feeling it. And then for highlight, I'm going in with my Fenty one. I believe this is the Lightning Dust and something highlighter, but I just mixed both of those shades, and look at that. Oh, so satisfying. Just using that on the high points, making sure that I get the tip of my nose, the bridge of my nose, cupid's bow, and my chin as well. And I really do make sure that I always get it on the temples as well. I feel like that just gives a very nice It catches the light beautifully actually, so I love doing that always. Um, just taking that Supreme shadow underneath my eyes as well, and making sure that it's the same opacity as the shadow in my crease. And then I'm also just highlighting my brow bone, and then for my inner corners I'm going back in with the highlighter and just using a small pencil brush to just give that pop of color. I feel like that just ties in the highlighter as well. And then just filling in my brows with I believe this is the Maybelline pencil. It's a really nice micro tip pencil. So just filling my brows in, and then also just blending everything out with the spoolie. And then I'm resorting to my Flower Beauty mascara today because I couldn't find any other in my kit, which is very weird because I have very limited makeup here, but I had to resort to the Flower Beauty one for this video yet again. But just making sure that I do nice coats, like 2 healthy coats of mascara, just to kind of intensify the lashes for the look, and also making sure that I do my lower lashes. And then for my lip liner, I'm using the K-Beauty lip liner. I forget the name, but again, it'll be mentioned down below, so please be sure to check that out. And while I'm lining my lips, please don't forget to like this video if you're enjoying it so far, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It would be much appreciated. And then oh, actually I'm going in with 2 lipsticks. I'm using the Maybelline one, and I'm also using a Too Faced one just to kind of amp up the color a little bit. The Too Faced one is beautiful. It's a matte lip color, so gorgeous. And then to lock everything in place, I'm just using my Maybelline what is it, Lasting Fix Lasting Fix setting spray. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Again, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and also if you have any thoughts on this look, please leave a comment down below as well. Take care guys, till next time, bye.